se pripravljam, da na oder pride osrednja zvezda naše zabave, našega rojstnega dneva, tradicionalnega božičnega DJ Time-a. Na oder vabim nekaj, ki je bilo že parkrat v Ljubljani, v Sloveniji. Z vami INNA!
Two, three. Let's party. Don't stop, it's the DJ Time, so we can make you say, Sunny's okay. Whoa, let's jump on. Sunny's okay. Whoa, let's jump on. Sunny's okay. Whoa, Sunny's okay. Whoa, let me hear you say. Tonight, put your hands in the sky. Come on, boy, come and get in the rhythm. This will take you high. One more feeling about you, I love you, don't know why. Everybody, come and get in the rhythm. This will take you high. Tonight, put your hands in the sky. Come on, boy, come and get in the rhythm. This will take you high. One more feeling about you, I love you, don't know why. Everybody, come and get in the rhythm. This will take you high. Sunny's okay. Move your body. Got moves in all the night to get my take. Come on, let's party. Don't stop when it's the DJ Time, so we can make you say, Sunny's okay. Whoa, let's jump on. Sunny's okay. Whoa, Sunny's okay. Whoa, let's jump on. Sunny's okay. 1, 2, 3. All the people tonight, put your hands in the sky. Come on, boy, come and get in the rhythm. So we take you high. One feeling about you, I love you, don't know why. Everybody, come and get in the rhythm. So we take you high. Slovenia, thank you very much for being here. Tonight, put your hands in the sky. Come on, boy, come and get in the rhythm. This will take you high. One more feeling about you, I love you, don't know why. Everybody, come and get in the rhythm. This will take you high. Something. Can you put the voice up in the monitors? Anyway, this is not working, so that's too bad. Just the voice up. Okay, is it cool? And you always look at me, okay? Thank you. It's been a long time since last time that I've been here. I love you too. Thank you very much for coming tonight. I heard that you saw so many artists performing here. And I just want to tell you that at the end of the show, I'm going to have a surprise for you. A surprise 100% Slovenian. With a little bit of Romanian in the front. And I just present you the next song right now. Tonight we should be more than in your eyes. I want your body, won't leave without it. So turn up the party. I'm feeling nice when it comes to me. And you keep nothing out what you want, baby. This high up, you're in the fire. Just come with me. Just gotta let it go tonight. All I want is you. 1,000 shades of blue dancing in your eyes. Just gonna let it go tonight. I just wanna be, hold you close to me. Dancing in your eyes. I want your body. It's getting hotter. The beat is hotter. I know you want it. And I want you to say things to me. Actually, then I want you on, baby. I love you, I wanna let it go tonight. All I want is you. 1,000 shades of blue dancing in your eyes. Just gotta let it go tonight. I just wanna be, hold you close to me. Dancing in your eyes. I want your body. I can see you there far away. Thank you very much. What's happening there? Is that the VIP? Right there. Is that the VIP? I'm sorry. My VIP is here. What's going on? This is my first song that I ever did in my life. And I bet that you know it very, very good. I want to thank you one more time for listening to my music. And I'm sorry if this show is not going to be as you want because I'm a little bit sick. I don't know if you see it, but I'm very sick right now.